Hello everybody, I'm going to start by painting a picture. So put yourself in the shoes of a sales VP. You are personally responsible for a global team of BD directors and a substantial sales target. It's 11 o'clock on a rainy Monday morning. Your inbox is still depressingly full and you've got a headache. Your European director calls to hand in a notice, meaning you've just lost one of your better performers and your headache just got worse. Your first thought, how the heck do I hit my sales target now? At this point, most hiring managers normally go to a recruiter or their internal recruitment team and kickstart the rusty old recruitment machine, typically resulting in a new hire coming on board 3 to 6 months later, who then needs another 3 to 6 months to get up to speed. Your chances of hitting sales target have long since crashed and burned. Now, the reality is that business development directors move on. It's entirely predictable. It always has been. And as far as I can tell, it's always going to be. So wouldn't it make sense to plan ahead for the inevitable and predictable event? So we created our talent banking service specifically for this situation, meaning when your star performer hands in their notice, we've already completed much of the recruitment process and are ready to deliver highly qualified candidates that same day. Arguably, they're also stronger candidates as we've got the luxury of time to deliver a painstakingly thorough and comprehensive search process. What's more, your priceless business continuity and precious performance record are now maintained. So if you're serious about sales excellence and you lead a team selling into pharma or life sciences, the time to speak with us is right now. Please contact me, Mark Pickles, directly on LinkedIn or otherwise email me on mark@snowdentalent.com. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.